If you want to keep Calendly free and avoid unexpected charges, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple, fast way. Staying on the free plan is a great option if you just need basic scheduling without paying for advanced features, and it can help you keep your tools lean while still getting the job done. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account using the email associated with your scheduling profile. Once you're signed in, look for the Admin Center. This is where Calendly keeps account settings, billing options, and plan management tools, so this is the area you need to check carefully. After you're in the Admin Center, click on Billing. This section will show you your current subscription details, including whether you're on the free plan, a trial, or a paid plan. Take a second here and verify what plan your account is actually using. If your account already says free, then you're already set. In that case, you can simply continue using Calendly without recurring charges, and there's nothing else you need to change. If you do see upgrade prompts, that usually means Calendly is showing you the available paid options, but it doesn't necessarily mean you're paying for one right now. The key is to check the current plan status first. If it confirms free, you can leave everything as it is and keep using the account normally. Now, if you're currently on a trial or a paid plan, you'll want to take the next step. Look for the change plan option, click that, and Calendly should show you the available plans for your account. From the list of options, select the free plan. Make sure you choose the free tier intentionally, because this is the step that prevents future billing from continuing on a paid subscription. Once you select the free plan, Calendly may ask you to confirm the downgrade. Go ahead and confirm it. This is the final step that locks in the change and moves your account back to the free version. After that, double-check the billing page one more time to make sure the plan now shows free, so you know the downgrade went through successfully. And that's really all there is to it. By checking your billing status inside the Admin Center and switching to the free plan when needed, you can keep Calendly free and continue using the essential scheduling features without paying for extras you may not need. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.